In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp to your Wix website. So I am inside the website editor, and here I will just click on Add Elements from the left-hand side, and we will use the search tool. So click on Search, and here we'll search for WhatsApp. Now we want to select the first option. I recommend this app. So WhatsApp Chat, your customer contact solution. So contact us. If we click on Open here, we are able to add WhatsApp to our site, but it will actually tell us that the premium version of Wix is required. But basically, I'm going to explain what's going to happen. Here, if you click on Add to Site and you have the premium version of Wix, then it will ask you to log in into your WhatsApp account. And then once you log in, then you can integrate the application here. You can paste it anywhere on your website. You could add it to your footer or somewhere on the main page of your website, and then people will be able to contact you through WhatsApp. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. Sorry that I couldn't show you directly, but I hope the explanation was good, and I'll see you next time.